This is the motorcycle product that you didn't know that you needed. I'll explain after the intro. So you know when you're on that group ride and you've come around a roundabout or you've taken a junction and your friends left their indicator on and you're frantically trying to point at it, you're flicking your indicators, trying to tell them to switch their indicator off because they leave it on. And not does it just bug you, but it's also dangerous. Has there ever been that time when you've been riding down the road and you've looked down and you went, oh, I've left my indicator on again, and you feel like a little bit of a plonker? Or even worse, when you've indicated after coming past a junction, you've travelled down a road and some car undercuts you, nearly knocking you off your bike because he thinks you're about to take a turn because you've left your indicator on. Well, this is Indimate, and Indimate is a brand new product that solves all of those problems. You know when you're driving a car and you hear that tick clock, click clock, and you go, oh, that's my indicator noise. That's what this does for bikes. This is a smart Bluetooth device that will give you that indicator sound in your helmet. Let me explain. Now this little small box is a smart device, and what it does is it basically sends a Bluetooth signal to your phone, and then you get an app as well where you can change things and play with the settings. But it sends it to your phone, so when you're riding along via your comms and you're listening to music, or you're using it to talk to a buddy, or you're just generally having a phone call conversation, this still works in the background, creating that indicator noise. So you know your indicators are on, so you know to switch them off. And it's super smart. It won't drain your battery because it will go into power saving mode. It's a really smart piece of kit, and it's super easy to install. Now it's literally 4 wires. So you've got 2 that go to your plus and your negative of your battery, and then the other 2 go to each side of your indicators, positive and positive. And even connecting it should only take a couple of minutes to do because it has a smart probe for the indicators that's super safe, that pushes in, so no slicing, dicing of wires, making a complete mess. And then you connect it to the app, bada boom, bada bing, you've got the noise. So let's get this installed on the bike. I'm going to go and look at their video on their website, and then I'm going to put it on the bike, and we're going to go out and we're going to see what this sounds like, how it exactly works, how easy is it, and put it under the 11 out of 10 test. But this could be an absolute game changer, and if just in safety, this little box could save your life. Okay, with that installed, what I need to now do is test it. So what you need to do is download the app and then connect, and make sure you use the indicator that will send power to the device that will then go to the app and tell you that it's turning. So let's give it a go. Literally just put these wires on. Let's give it a go. Okay, so there's the app. Turn the app on, start scanning. Then what you do is you turn your indicator on, and then hopefully, there you go, it picks it up. And you can hear the clicking noise. And the other way. Well, there you go. Super easy to install. It literally is 4 wires. The most important thing is obviously to make sure that you do locate your indicator wires and you put them on the positives. But do you know what? Super easy. 4 wires, bada boom, bada bing, done. And then the app. Connect to the app. Within seconds, it's there and it's working. Just make sure that you switch your indicator on. So it's got power going to it. And bang, it's working. Anyway, what I'm dead excited to do now is put on all my bike gear, get out on the road and test what it's like, because what it will do, it will connect to the phone. Obviously my phone is connected to my Cardo comms, what means I'll be able to hear the So let's go and check it out.
Okay, well, right in front of me is a roundabout. So let's try and hear what this sounds like, what you're going to get. Because, prime example, let's go round the roundabout. Let's click it on. Here we go. Oh, I like that. It's like, if you drive a car, you'll get it. It's car sound indicators. And I can hear them perfectly through my comms. Oh, that's good. And indicate the other way. Still got them on. And let's turn them off. And they're gone. Oh, I like that. That is you just know. That's the thing, it's so simple. 4 wires, connect it to your phone. When you switch your bike on, just when you do that, just turn on the app, click one of your indicators to make sure it's connected just before you pull off, and you're in there. Again. Oh, I like that. That's super easy and super simple. And it makes it a little bit of a safer place to be, because you know that you're not leaving them on. Oh, I like that. I do like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try it with some music as well to see how well you can hear it, because just going through town then and coming out to this country road, every time I turn, nice and loud. Not too loud, it's annoying, and obviously you can adjust the volume on your comms or on your phone, so you can get it wherever you want it anyway. But I want to hear what it's like if I listen to it over music. So let's listen to this one here. Let's play some music. Here we go. That's quite loud, the music, to be fair, as well. So it's set up for riding. Right, let's get this up to a decent speed. Let's see what this is actually like. Here we go. Let's put the indicator on. I can hear that over that perfectly. Fantastic. And the other way. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So if you had a conversation, you know you're still going to hear that clicking noise. That's spot on. Again, just works. Simply just works.
Well, I'm impressed, because to be able to hear the indicators, even while you've got music playing or you're having a conversation, and be able to switch them off, having that peace of mind that I'm not leaving them on, there's no danger, it's a really good idea. I mean, this is proper cool. Now, the price point of this is £134.99 Great British pounds, or €159.99 euros. But if you go to their website, you purchase this, and in the code section at checkout, put helmet head, you'll get 20% off. 20% off, what makes this device super cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next bonkers episode on Helmet Head. Take care for now. Bye bye.